Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on adding a UFO to your video footage. So here we have actually an image. You can use video or an image. I like this image better than actual video footage. So let's add a UFO to this video footage or this image. So insert video track. I got this UFO from ProductionCrate. They have one free one and one, or actually three pro ones. You need a pro membership to download the other ones. This is a pro UFO, but the free one works well. So to make this video visible, right click, go to properties, select media, alpha channel, select straight unmatted, click OK. So now it's visible. So let's make this smaller. So going to make sure your cursor is at the beginning, going to track motion. Let's make this smaller. Let's push it a little higher up. Now this is loopable. So all you have to do to create to make this longer, is just right click on it, copy it, copy here, right there, paste, and we'll paste all the attributes. All the track motion data will all be saved in there as well. Just butt these up against each other, paste it again, put it back, look something like this. So you can add this to a video footage or a image file. It's really up to you what you want to do. But it gives you a realistic appearance of a UFO to your videos. So it's a new asset from ProductionCrate. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this from. I know I've been promoting ProductionCrate quite a bit lately, but there's so many new effects being added to the site all the time. It's just really exciting to play with them and experiment with them. So anyways, just want to pass this along to you. I'm battling a real bad cold right now, so sorry for the short tutorial. But anyways, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful, if you browse my videos, I guarantee you'll find one you will like. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.